Hello, and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is snooze emails. There are certain emails that you want to address at a specific time or on a specific day. You can snooze an email to come to the top of your inbox at a designated time. Snoozing an email will remove it from your inbox temporarily in Gmail. This can help declutter your inbox. Open up your Gmail account. Point to the email. On the right of the email, there is a clock face. This stands for snooze. Click snooze and choose a day and time to get the email. This email will come back to the top of my inbox tomorrow at 8 a.m. If you want to snooze multiple messages, click on the select box and go down and check the emails that you want to snooze, and then click on the snooze icon at the top of the email window. If you realize at some point in the day that you have snoozed an email that requires your attention, you can find your snoozed emails by looking at the menu under the Compose button. You will see a snooze folder. Click on this folder to read all emails that you have snoozed.
Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.